Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned corn taste good. First, drain and rinse your canned corn well to wash away extra sodium and metallic flavors. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the corn and sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it starts to get a little color. This simple step significantly improves its texture and natural sweetness. Now let's talk seasoning. After sautéing, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in some fresh herbs like chopped chives, parsley, or cilantro. A small squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice right before serving can really brighten up the corn, giving it a zesty kick that complements its sweetness beautifully. Want to get a little more creative? For a creamy version, stir in 1 tablespoon of cream cheese until melted and smooth. If you prefer some heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a pinch of chili powder works wonders. You can also mix in about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for a rich, savory depth that makes the corn feel much more gourmet. These additions are quick and delicious. Finally, serve your delicious corn immediately as a warm side dish, or let it cool to use in a vibrant corn salad. A garnish of crumbled bacon or a sprinkle of smoked paprika can add a fantastic finishing touch. These easy methods truly transform canned corn into something special. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.